the piece that we're going to be recording for you.
And then also, like, as artists, we interact with this word in a way that most people don't.
Right.
And so, like, I know that for, most of the conversations I've had about what is art, I've had with non-artists.
One of the things that I believe is really important is to decide which of your projects are developing new work and which of your projects are about, like, getting the work out there.
Off-The-Latch is a student-run organization that promotes and supports success for students that wish to pursue a career in the arts.
I was researching for a tech festival that I was helping sponsor.
Off-The-Latch was created by Christian Bernal, a recent music department graduate with the intent of providing student musicians and artists the next step in their careers.
Like, maybe that is a really kind of good niche that they kind of approach to.
And I got to see like the opportunities that some organizations could have in terms of give kind of like the community projects that would evoke like a creative energy. And I saw coming back to campus like that there was a kind of a need to support student work and to get the work out there. And the Off-The-Latch was kind of the model that came out of that problem solution thought.
Show up at places.
On May 25th, Off-The-Latch hosted a community outreach event. It was designed as the initial meeting for prospecting artists and an outlet for student musicians. This included several workshops designed to educate students about career development and how to develop their identities as artists. Off-The-Latch also had the privilege of inviting Andrew C. Smith, Executive Director of Indexical, to speak to our group.
For anyone who's been an artist, that's just like your whole life is basically the gig economy.
His journey as an artist in the career industry was similar to many of us and spoke to the group on a personal level.
Your title or the company you work for or anything like that.
Finally, the event concluded with many UCSC musicians displaying their original compositions. Those in attendance had been positively influenced. They left with increased confidence that a career within the arts is absolutely possible.
You don't deserve to succeed unless you act a certain way, but like in reality...
A lot more safer than a car. 81 times more safer. Something ridiculous, and I was like, wow.
Oh, buses are like 7 times safer than cars.
Why are they is that though?
Probably because they're so thick.
Oh yeah. I can't take my instrument on a bus or a bike.
Just have to hope the place I'm going to has my instrument.
Off-The-Latch plans to continue their outreach and support of student artists and hopes to continue their professional development as an organization.